Hello everyone, I'm Grace from Minek, and today I'm going to talk about giving some information to frequently asked questions about our AI system. AI is a shortened term for Advanced Intermezzo. When you use one-piece type fixture, you might have some difficulties such as it being too thick or being stuck and so on. But our AI gives you the advantage of strong solution for narrow ridge and anterior teeth. AI has double connection design, which drastically reduces a chronic problem of jamming between the handpiece connector and one-piece type fixture. And finally, the guide slot design guarantees a fast, easy, and precise connection. So we have been asked several times for how to smoothly pick up the AI fixture and how is the drilling sequence. So today I'm going to talk about that a little bit for your surgeries to be even more flawless. So let's go. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to talk about the drilling sequence. So when you place this AI fixture, you have to start with initial drilling and 2.5 diameter drilling before you place 3.0 millimeter fixture on the soft bone. And if you are placing on the hard bone, we suggest you to use by 2.8 millimeter diameter, so all the way through. There are a few things that you need to consider when you drill. As you can see in this picture, if 3 millimeters to 4.5 millimeters height of gingiva is there, you can go ahead and do the drilling sequence based on the gingival line. For example, the thickness of gingiva is, let's say, 3.0 millimeters, and you want to place 10 millimeter fixture. What you can do is you can simply add the two lengths. So you need to drill by 13 millimeters starting from the gingival marginal line. After all the drilling sequence, when you need the fixture placement, what you need is to have a fixture and a handpiece connector from AI kit. And now place the connector with your handpiece head like that. Second, try to open the ample. So when you open the ample, what you all have to do next is just put them together. So put the connector slot with the AI fixture and then press it and spooning. You don't need much pressure to do this. It is very easy peasy. But if you put too much pressure, it will fall from the ample instead of being connected. So make sure that you just use small pressure for this one. Thus, there are only 3 steps for this. Put them together, click them together, and then gently push them together. Repeat after me: put, click, and push. After you successfully drilled and picked up the fixture, now it's time for the placement. Megagen has put the marking so you can easily notice the depth of placement. The yellow mark in the picture is that. Let me give you a little more detail on it. For the stable crown saddling, the fixture post has to be exposed more than 3.5 millimeters above the gingival margin. So when you place the fixture without opening the flap, you need to align the black line of the connector, the bottom of the line, to the gingival marginal line. If you need to place a little deeper, align the black line of the connector, the upper part of the line, to the gingival marginal line. When you align it on the upper part of the line, it means placing 1 millimeter deeper compared to aligning in on the bottom of the line. So if you need to open the flap to place the fixture, please place it according to the bone line and place the fixture 0.5 millimeter deeper from the surface treatment line. But in a case when you have a weaker bone, you can place it 1.0 millimeter deeper. We also recommend following cuff height by gingival height. If gingival height is between 2 to 4 millimeters, use 2 millimeter height cuff. And if gingival height is between 3.5 to 5.5 millimeters, use 3 millimeter height cuff. Megagen also suggests place 0.5 to 1 millimeter under the crestal based on the surface treatment marginal line, which gives you better crestal bone response. So after you finish drilling, and you can refer to this video for picking up the air fixture and handpiece connector and for further procedure. So today, we quickly went over how you can smoothly take out the AI from its container and a little bit more information about AI. As I told you, it's not that difficult, right? So I hope this manual was helpful for everyone watched it, and I will be very much happy if you have enjoyed it. I'll be back very soon with other how to do series, so please visit our website under here or Facebook page for updates. Thank you for watching and stay tuned in for next episodes.